Everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading. What is the messages for the Aries, Sun, Moon and Venus rising? Aries, for the sign of Aries, what is the messages for you since 20 July to the end of the July? That is the last week of the July. Okay, so these readings are general readings, so it may or may not be resonate with each and everyone. And if you want any personal detailed information for the your readings or messages, then you can contact me. I will give the contact details in the description box below. Okay, so we will start for the Aries. What are the messages for the Aries in the end of July, from 20 July to the end of the July? What are the messages for the Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus? Okay, what are the messages for the Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus? Aries, please guys, let us know. And I will pull the some advice card for you at the end of the reading. Okay, and I will let you know the affirmation for you. Two of Wands, Page of Cups and the Justice. Very good. So in this week you might get any one of the offer, or any you might be analyzing the things within you intuitively what you want to do, and externally what are the forces are there around you. They are telling you to do this or not to do this, but you are taking your control and you have decided that you have to take this path. Okay, this person has been taken one wand. Okay, so he is ready to travel. He is some of you might be ready to travel within a world. Okay, they are just preparing themselves for what will be the plan. They are analyzing the things. Okay, the travel will be there. Some of you might be traveling by water. Okay, or international travels. They are thinking for the international travels also. Or some of you might be they are coming out of internal conflict and the external conflicts. Okay, then the Page of Cups. So you are this is the person who is very versatile. So you have that talent. You are able to do, you are able to manage the everything. That you are skillful person, because you are skillful person. So now your skills are just, it is time to embrace your skills, talents and show to the world. Okay, so the justice will be there. Okay, you will get the justice. So very nice. This is the reading for the Aries. I will pull some advice card for you and I will let you know the affirmation for that. Okay, so come out of your conflicts, internal and external conflicts. You are able to do all these things and universe is with you, because the justice is going to serve you. Okay, universe will give you the justice. So you just think on you just have to work on your intuitions. Okay, Flight 9. Let your creativity, imaginations fly. See, I told you, you are a skillful person. You are a skillful person, you are a versatile person, and you are able to manage all these things. So you have to trust yourself. You have to trust yourself and make the plan. Whatever internal and external conflicts are there, so you just come to the conclusion and just trust on yourself, trust on your intuitions. So the Flight, let your creativity, imaginations fly. Some of you, I strongly feel that some of you will travel along the country or within the country or outside the country or anything, but there are some traveling for business, for the purpose of job, business, anything, for your skills, for your ability of the for your knowledge, wisdom. Okay, so the universe is telling you, let your creativity, imaginations fly, and then you can able to you will get the justice. Okay, so bottom of the deck is hope. Look with your new eyes and create the change that awaits for you. So look for the change and be positive, hopeful, because universe is with you. So I will let you know the affirmation. So the and see, the number of card is 14 and 9. 9 is a universal number, and this 14 1 plus 4 is 5. That is the positive changes. Positive changes are coming to you. Just you have to trust yourself. Okay, so now I will tell you the affirmations for the flight number 9, which is the universal number. All the things will come to places in the divine timing. Okay, universe is with you, so you don't worry about the thing is not happening and all these things. Okay, you just come out of your conflicts, internal and external conflicts, and just focus on your intuitions. Okay, use your imagination to build the castle in the air, then ask the unicorn to help you ground your vision. With their help you can achieve much more than you believe. Okay, so you have to trust the unicorns, you have to trust the universe, so that you can able to go to your dreams even more than you imagine. Okay, so your affirmation is, I use my imagination to expand my visions. I use my imagination to expand my vision. So if you want to you have to just expand your visions. So many options will open up for you. Okay, I use my imagination to expand my visions. And the second affirmation is, I look for the rainbow ahead. See, there is a rainbow. There are storm weather, but still the rainbow is here. Okay, so you have to trust the universe. The unicorns are offering you hope and inspiration. They are waiting to touch you and promise and joy. They are waiting to touch you with the promise and joy. So expect happy changes come into your life. Okay, so expect the happy changes for you. Okay, and your affirmation is, I look for the rainbow ahead. Rainbow is the happiness. Okay, I look for the rainbow ahead. So this was your reading, guys, for the Aries for the end of July, starting from 21st July to the end of July. So please let me know in the comment section, and if the readings are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section. Like, share my channel, and you can also check the other readings of other signs. Okay, thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.